The logical error of respecting all views. The principle that all views should be respected is often upheld as a cornerstone of open-mindedness and inclusivity. However, when it comes to matters of objective fact, this principle is deeply flawed. Accepting contradictory opinions as equally valid is illogical and undermines reason. By examining the application of logical consistency, evidence-based reasoning, and the distinction between subjective opinions and objective facts, we will demonstrate that not all views deserve equal respect in intellectual discourse. The law of non-contradiction, a fundamental principle of logic, asserts that two mutually exclusive propositions cannot both be true simultaneously. This principle holds significant implications when discussing matters of objective fact, where there is an objectively verifiable answer. In such cases, the acceptance of contradictory opinions as equally valid is an error. For any claim, there are three possibilities. 1. The claim corresponds to objective facts and is true. 2. It does not correspond to facts and is false. 3. Or it pertains to an open question whose truth value is unknown or unknowable. Scenario 1. Relying on evidence for objective truth. In Scenario 1, where a claim corresponds to objective facts and is true, our pursuit of knowledge requires us to rely on evidence to determine the objectively true position. In the realm of intellectual discourse, it is crucial to subject claims to scrutiny and challenge. Logical fallacies, false premises, or inaccurate evidence should be refuted rather than respected. Respect for all views, regardless of their adherence to evidence and reason, would undermine the pursuit of truth and prevent our ability to distinguish fact from fiction. This only serves those who promote falsehood and propaganda. Scenario 2. False claims and undermining reason. In Scenario 2, when claims are demonstrably false and do not correspond to facts, granting them equal credibility as the truth would undermine reason and empiricism. Objective facts are not subject to personal interpretation or belief. By granting false claims the same level of respect, we risk perpetuating misinformation, hindering societal progress, and diluting the importance of evidence-based reasoning. Scenario 3. Unknowable truth and subjective opinions. In Scenario 3, we encounter claims that pertain to an open question whose truth value is unknown or unknowable. In these situations, a diversity of subjective opinions can be justifiable or potentially insightful. However, even in this scenario, logical consistency and the validity of reasoning still apply. While subjective opinions may vary, they must adhere to rational thinking and avoid logical fallacies. Intellectual discourse should encourage exploration and critical thinking while acknowledging the limitations of knowledge when faced with unanswerable questions. Conclusion. Individuals are entitled to their own opinions, but not entitled to their own facts. The principle of respecting all views is an error when discussing matters of objective fact. The law of non-contradiction dictates that two mutually exclusive propositions cannot both be true. In the pursuit of truth, it is essential to prioritize evidence-based reasoning and logical consistency. The principle of diversity should not be employed to legitimize irrationality or protect beliefs that contradict objective facts. Intellectual discourse flourishes when opinions supported by logic and evidence are given due respect, fostering an environment conducive to intellectual development. This article is available on the Coffee page linked in the description. If you like this concise content by Lloyd de Jong, please subscribe on Coffee for more and support more of this work there. Here on YouTube, please like the content with a thumbs up, share it and subscribe to the channel.